China, 300 BC. A blacksmith accidentally produces cast iron. Unlike wrought iron, it melts. It can be molded into shapes. And it is enormously stronger than the wrought iron he usually works with. However, the first use of cast iron on a major scale started with the production of cast iron cannons in Germany in 1313. Riding on the economics of this mass production, cast iron soon found wide acceptance into new areas because of its durability, high strength, and ability to withstand extreme heat, cold, and even fire. Like the first cast iron bridge over the River Severn in England in 1709. The first cast iron frame building that was built in Shrewsbury, England around the same time. And street and garden furniture in England in 1819. Ancient civilizations had constructed well-planned aqueducts and tunnels for water and drainage systems with pipes of clay, wood, lead and bronze. However, there was a constant effort to make a pipe that would be economical and long-lasting. Therefore, perhaps the most important use of cast iron came when it was used in pipes for water and drainage systems. Let us visit the French town of Versailles in 1664. The first full-scale cast iron pipe system was constructed to carry water from Malleon-Saône to the palace, its gardens and its surrounding areas. 340 years later, the system is still functioning, a silent testimony to the long life of cast iron pipes. Truly, a fit-and-forget system, if ever there was any. With its myriad benefits, today the use of cast iron pipes for soil waste, rainwater and vent systems is the standard laid down in most building codes worldwide and has been so since the last over 150 years. Jaiswal's Nico Limited is one of India's premier organizations. Our construction castings comprise pipes and fittings which are used for soil, waste, ventilation and rainwater in building drainage systems. Nico also manufactures a wide range of manhole covers and gratings. This presentation will take you on a journey into Nico, its value systems, its infrastructure, and its products. We hope you will enjoy this journey of learning and profit from it.